Hello, Sasrikal, Namaste, and Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Matt Black Guys, and I'm your host Jabir over here. So this is a status update on my Royal Enfield Taurus. So as you can see, this still same state where I left the video, 85%. That's also a diesel bullet. That's my uncle's diesel bullet, and the earlier that's the Harley type exhaust that I showed you guys, and yeah, yeah, these are the indicators. These are the indicators and tail lamp as well as park lamps. So the bike was not starting. So the problem was, since I got the second hand tank, I only cleaned it once. So it had a really thick rust which clogged the fuel filter. Fuel filter. This is the fuel filter. A fuel filter as well as the injector. Injector is inside here. So this is an analog, I mean non-digital, non-electrical system. So this one has a plunger. That plunger injects, I mean just now I showed, right, that injects the diesel inside the uh, combustion chamber. And this is the air filter. And what else? So my uncle has managed to fix the bike. uh, I was waiting for him. I mean, it has been fixed for past few days already. Then he was waiting for me to come and have a look and pick it up. I wanted to help him out, but I was busy with my friend's wedding and other things as well, so I could not. One day came and helped him with some stuffs. I did not record video on that. So let's just start it up. I don't know whether it will start or not. I haven't had a talk with my uncle whether he has fixed the clutch or not. Let's just start it up and see. So I will show you the tail lamps. That's pretty decent, and for the price it's too good. I'm really excited because it's been how many days? It's been like 7 or 8 months since the last time I saw them. I saw them work for the first time. Then I had to leave country immediately for my work, and then now is the time I'm seeing this again. So I'm pretty excited. I'll just show you guys. I don't know how it looks, but I hope it's still working. It is still working, and it's good. So let's see. Good. I don't know. I will try to fix it. It's a bit crooked. Not a bit. It's a lot. It's quite obvious that it's crooked. Maybe I will take it out and fix it. But the 3M sticker behind that will be gone. So I need to find a 3M sticker first. So it's in pretty bad shape. The bike is in pretty bad shape because you see over here, got scratched and all. It was brand new painted. Nobody was there to take care of it. And the wire is all coming out. Actually, that last time also I did not get time to properly assemble everything up, and see the seat is gone. I mean, this one is totally rusted. The battery cover, there's no battery inside though. I have to put a new battery. Anyhow, let's check the indicators. Okay, so indicators. I don't know what happened over here. These are not working. Anyhow, so the above one is also supposed to light like this. I will show you guys the night shot. I mean how it looks at night. I mean how it appears at night or in darkness. And then let's see the other one. Yeah, that is pretty decent. It's pretty awesome actually. All LED. Yeah. And the brake line, that's too good. You cannot see, but at night really gets bright. I mean, at night it gets really bright. Anyhow, right indicator. Soon I'll be doing the vinyls and everything of the bike and complete the 100% modification of Taurus and show you guys, tell you guys how much it takes to modify or what are the modifications that I did. I think I have already told you guys what are the modifications I have already done on the bike, and stay tuned for that. And that's all. Bye. Take care. Sayonara.